Hey y'all, welcome back to part two. So if you haven't already watched my first video, go ahead and go back before you come here. So if you don't know, y'all, I have very sparse brows and I did a lamination kit that I found on Amazon Prime. And I'm also today testing out a brow tint kit. Now I will, disclaimer, the kit does say for professional use only, but your girl is a professional, okay? So yeah, I feel comfortable using this kit, but I do feel like anybody could use it as long as you are capable of reading and following directions. I don't see why you couldn't use this kit. Now, I decided to wipe it off because it was a little irritated after I laminated my brows. So I came through with some cold water and I wet my brows and then dried them off, and then I started all over again. So pretty much I mixed it on the little spatula that you, or the little plate that you saw at the beginning of the video, and now I'm just painting this into place. So if you didn't know, y'all, have very bald brows, but that lamination did some wonders because I feel like it has me looking like I got a little brow. So I'm just gonna let y'all sit back and watch me test out this kit. I'll make sure I link everything in the description box, and I'll be back closer to the end so I can tell you how I feel about this product. So now for the big reveal, y'all. This is what my brows look like after about 20 minutes of processing. You can see I'm wiping them off, and yeah, y'all, I'm unimpressed, okay? Like, not saying that the product is bad whatsoever, because it definitely changed the color of my brows. I just think I should have went with black. Now hear me out, because I do not fill in my brows with black. I usually use Java from Morphe. That is my go-to brow pencil. But I feel like for what I'm trying to do, I should have used the color black. I feel like it would have done me more justice. I see a very ever so slight difference, but I actually feel like it kind of lightened my brows because I may have went in the wrong direction. So in all fairness, because I feel like you have to give everything a fair shot, I'm going to redo this. And if you can tell me which side is before and which side is after, you win the prize, because I can't. Okay, so I'm going to redo this in black, and then I will come back with another follow-up video, because I just feel like I can't give an honest opinion on how I feel about this product if I didn't even pick the right color in the first place. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure that you thumbs this video up and turn on your post notifications so you will be alerted when I try the black. I'm going to wait about 2 weeks or so just to kind of give my skin a chance to kind of recoup, because I don't want to irritate my skin. And then I'll be back with another video. And oh yeah, this is just extra. My daughter used my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow wax, y'all. She used half the jar on her brows. So as y'all can see, it hadn't frozen yet, but we was there. So I decided to play with her a little bit and squiggling her brows since she want to mess with my stuff. But anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see y'all on my next video. Bye.